warm and humid, but here's what we can expect. The thinking right now, but again, always stay alert to rapidly changing weather conditions. But today, as we get into the afternoon, between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m., looks like the best chance, the time frame for those thunderstorms to get going across North Texas, give or take a little bit. They could get going a little bit earlier and last maybe a little bit later into the evening hours. But scattered storms developing. The main threats, the very large hail, as we've talked about across the area, the damaging winds, and yes, that tornado risk is there today too. So have a way to get those warnings, a reliable way to do that as we get into the afternoon. Now tonight, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m., there will be a little bit of a lull, but still some scattered storms possible. The main threats, the damaging winds, and that brief spin up if we get that line of storms along the front as it works its way into the area. But as we go through the day on Wednesday, morning storms across our area. The cold front moves in, sweeps everything off to the east of the area as we head later into the morning, and by midday, I think everything should be out of North Texas as far as those storms are concerned. In the meantime, DFW Airport, 74 degrees. Look at those winds out of the south, gusting to over 30 miles per hour right now. We'll have the mostly cloudy skies through the day today. And we'll watch again for those afternoon storms to get going. So anywhere after 2, 3 o'clock, maybe a little bit sooner, we'll start to see those thunderstorms developing. Cap probably not going to hold like it did yesterday. So we are looking at a better chance for those thunderstorms to get cranked up a little farther south and west, and those move into the metroplex as we head into the evening, with that severe weather threat continuing into the late evening hours, heading toward midnight. That begins to push to the east, and again, relatively quiet overnight. But look what happens as we head towards sunrise tomorrow. This is about the time the front begins to move in. We will have a line of storms developing, quickly racing off to the east, though, as we head toward midday with that front. So that will bring an end to the thunderstorms, and we'll start to clear out during the afternoon on Wednesday with those west and northwest winds. It's still going to be warm out there for us. But again, there's the enhanced risk for severe storms across the area today, with hail, golf ball to maybe baseball size. Those are strong damaging winds, and that tornado risk will be there today as well. As we head into tomorrow, though, the storms shift farther east, so we'll have that chance for some morning storms maybe during the overnight around sunrise and just after, but then that moves off to the east with damaging wind gusts, hail being the main concern. But again, we'll see how things develop. That brief spin up, something we'll be watching for as well if we get that line of storms developing along the cold front. So here's the 10-day forecast. After late tonight and early tomorrow, things will settle down at the rest of the week. Going into Thursday and Friday, there will be a slight chance for some thunderstorms as we get into Easter weekend. They're on Saturday and again on Sunday. We'll have about a 20% coverage with those storms. That may linger into the first part of next week, as it will be a little bit cooler as well, with those highs back down into the low and mid 70s early next week.